Let's say you are watching a video on YouTube and a catchy song is playing in the video background, and then you want to find out that which song is playing in the video. No worries, in this video we have come with a solution where you can easily find any music video by describing it. So, hey guys, welcome back to Technuto. In this video you will get to know how to find a music video by describing it. So let's get started. So, there are 7 different ways by which you can easily find music video just by describing it. The easiest and the first way to find a music from a video background is just go to that YouTube video description and look for the credits. YouTube mention all the details of a music that is used in a video. By this way you will find the music credits in the description box below. Now the second way to find a music video by describing it is through Google. And for that all you have to do is go to Google and type whatever lyrics you know. Google will suggest you links that will definitely fix your problem. And also, Google also suggests the lyrics or song name as you start typing in the search box. Now everyone loves finding new music, so there's a good chance you won't be the first onlooker to wonder what song is in this video. Read or search the YouTube comments and you might just stumble upon the question and its answer. You can try the old method first. First, scroll down the page for a while so that some of the comments load. Then press Ctrl+F to open the find box. Type a song and scroll through comments that use the word. From there, type the song and you'll see all of the related comments. If none of the comments mention it, click Show Relies on someone's comment to hope to find the answer in a reply. If you can't find anything, you can try leaving a comment asking for help identifying the music. Don't be surprised if you get some Darude, Sandstorm comments when you ask this question. Now if you have tried all the methods above and still struggling in finding a music video, and don't know how to find a music video by describing it, then check out our full article on how to find a music video by describing it. Check out the link in the description box below. In this article we have mentioned 7 different ways to find a music video by describing it. Also, if you enjoyed this video then do hit the like button and subscribe to Technuto if you want our mobile software for free which can find any music just by describing it, in any way you want. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.